proper noun examples. The proper noun, my name is Azhar Ali. For the Azhar Ali is the special name. Azhar Ali. Azhar Ali. And Allah. Allah, creator of the whole world. The Allah is the special name. We cannot change it. Allah. And Badin, our city Badin. And Badin is special name. So this is Badin. So moral that the name, special name of anything is called proper noun. Proper noun is special thing, but any common thing, for example, board, boy, board, and these are the common names. But its special names are called the proper nouns. The common nouns first letter begin with the small letter, and the proper nouns the first letter begin with the capital letter. This is marker. Marker is common noun, but proper noun is its name. Its name is dry erase. So dry erase the proper noun. This is come to the board. Board is this is board common noun. But if we change into proper noun, this name is Petex. Petex board. Petex board is the proper noun. Come to the school. School is the common noun. Which is school, but if we change into proper noun, the school GPS Agrawal Colony School. This is the proper noun. GPS Agrawal Colony. This is the proper noun. And then the third is the countable noun. Countable noun. I tell you the definition of the countable noun. Countable noun is the word that countable is which noun that we can count it in numbers. We can count it in numbers. We can count it in numbers. For example, one apple. We can count it. One apple.
Complete sentence.
One apple. Two apples. And we can count it in the numbers is called countable noun. For example, I have 2 apples. I have 2 apples. 2 apples is the countable noun. We can count it. This is 2 apples. And I have 5 chips. I have 5 chips. So more that anything we can count it in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is called that countable nouns. Countable noun for example, and third example, Haris has 3 markers. We can count it 3 markers, 5 chips, 2 apples. The third example, Haris has 3 markers. Haris has 3 markers. So the countable nouns we can count it, and many things that we cannot count it. For example, that water. We cannot count it, the water, 2 water, 3 water, give me. So this is the uncountable noun. Uncountable we cannot count it. And the rise, we cannot rise. Many rises and many the rises we cannot count it. For example, water, rice, air. We cannot 2 air, 1 air, 3 air, 5 air. We cannot count the air. So these are the uncountable nouns. Countable and countable is the difference between countable and uncountable. That countable we can count it, and uncountable we can not count it. So examples countable. I have 2 apples. 2 apples. This 2 apple is The countable noun. So the third is the uncountable. Uncountable noun is the we cannot count anything. We cannot count is called the uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are different. For example, water. Give me some water. So this water is the uncountable noun. The sum is the telling that perfect, not perfect quantity of water. But the water, one water, we cannot say one water, give me one water, give me two water. So this is the not perfect quantity, but so this is the uncountable. And second example, I eat few rice. The second example is I eat some rice. Some is also the not telling the perfect quantity rice. We cannot say I eat one rice, I eat two rice because we cannot count it. So this is the uncountable noun. And third is Haris. Example is air is belonging. We cannot count. We cannot say that one air is belonging, two air is belonging, three air. This is the uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Understand that give me some water. The water is uncountable. We cannot say one water, two water. I eat some rice. Some rice. We cannot say that one or two and air is belonging. We cannot say that one air, three air, two air, three air is belonging. So now we come to fourth is the collective noun. Collective noun, the group of people, animals, things is called collective noun. So the group of people, animals, things is called the collective noun. For example, musician. For example, musician. The music instrument is called. And for example, piano, guitar, drums, or this collection is called the musician. And the second is herd. The collection of buffaloes, sheep, goats, and in one place is called the herd. And the third is the cattle, buffaloes, cows, goats, sheep, and this collection in one place in house is called our cattle. And the fourth is the army. In army, many journalists, military persons, soldiers, and many things, and many people are in the army. Army is the collection of group of and the fifth is the family. You know, the family is the common word. Our family, in the whole world, every person has his family. In family we find brother, sister, our mother, our father, grandfather, and mother, and that collection of group in one house is called the family.